I told you in the video about all the things I'm going to be doing. I'm going to share with you a little small haul that I went to and talked about in the car not too long ago. This may be yesterday. Okay. Vinny's on his own health journey. I don't know if any of you know that, but he's asked me for certain things that I know, my teeth are killing me, I could only get at, well, not only, but I prefer to go to HomeGoods because I want the good organic or whatever have you. He asked me to find him pumpkin seeds because they're high in magnesium and we don't want to take a supplement because he's been doing research. It gets better in your bloodstream through food, right? Wasn't that what you heard? I heard that this morning. In any event, I got him Sincerely Nuts pumpkin seeds, roasted and salted, 8-ounce bag. This was $6. And to be told the truth, these would probably be more money at Publix in those little plastic containers. So I'm happy with this. So I got him that. Then these are also very healthy. And I got him roasted, all natural, roasted, salted sunflower seeds. Naturally vegan, gluten-free, it's snack time, grab a bag, 12 ounces of these were only $4.49, okay? That's a good deal. Let me taste these because, let me see if I can open this. I'm starving. I ate a late lunch and only had a few things because I don't want to ruin my appetite for dinner. I could eat these all day. And they're very good. Okay, happy with that. You have my review. He also asked for if we had sea salt. Now, I thought this was gourmet soap. It's so prettily packaged, beautifully packaged. It is beautifully packaged. It was a little splurge at $4.99. It's beautiful. This is sea salt flakes from Greece with lemon. I didn't know they had lemon. All right, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm making, all right, making some fish tonight. This would be the great salt flakes to put with my fish. And don't add any lemon, no salt. I mean, no, maybe just a little extra lemon. Or if you didn't have lemon, think about it. Nice, good deal. Then what else? Okay. And these items are coming with me in the van to New York because when you go to HomeGoods, you all know. Get what you see, what you like when you're there because you go back, it may not be there. Those 2 jars of honey I shared with you, I was actually going back to hunt for more of those because they were only $10. Honey lasts indefinitely. They were gone, everything. This is good, and it wasn't really bad in price. I was a little surprised. This is the balsamic vinegar of Modena aged. These are usually pricey. Okay, this little bottle is 8.5 ounces. It was $7. Considering the amount you need and that I put in my salad, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, that's that. What did I buy? I don't even remember. Oh, these were very inexpensive, but they're much better than anything you get domestically on the shelf here at Publix. These were $2.99 and they're gourmet capote capers. I make a lot of dishes, chicken piccata, veal piccata, and so on and so on. And these are great. 3.5 ounce jar. I would get 3 meals per jar, $1 portion now. And I grabbed 2 of them. They're gourmet capers. And they're a keeper. Taking those to New York. I think I'm going to take everything here. Because we're going to be gone. There's no need to leave it here. Okay, this is what I wanted. This is cute. I got this as an afterthought because when I bought the honey and then learned that it lasts indefinitely, when I go to New York, my goal is to try to eat it daily because that's where you get the most benefits out of it for health. And I thought this was beautiful. This is a glass honey jar. There you go, Winnie the Pooh. That's a glass honey jar. Isn't that pretty? Who wouldn't want to pull your honey out of there every day? I would. Drizzle on toast. Now, see, the thing in my thinking is having this and having the honey on the counter near the toaster, I would naturally go and drizzle it, or on peaches, or on whatever, the yogurt. It needs to be on my counter in New York with all my other little accoutrements, and that I see it. I'm one of those people, if I don't see it, I don't eat it. And Vinny's just like me. We're terrible. Terrible. We have all these good things and we got to be reminded to eat them, to use them. Again, this is from extra virgin olive oil, unfiltered, packed in Italy, cold pressed. Yum, yum, yum. This is a 25 ounce for $14.99. You're getting domestic stuff that's not as good, in my opinion. I'll keep it on me. In my opinion, this is premium. I could get for the same price, but better. I always go to HomeGoods to look for their oil section, imported from Italy, Greece, Spain. Good stuff. And I went in, I told you in the catch-up chat, in the car chat, that I went to Fresh Market. They have imported olive oils there. A bottle this size there was over $22. They just are. They rob you in the store for the good oils. It's ridiculous. And I've seen some of them. There's a Sicilian olive oil I love. It's cheaper online than in any store. Here in a gourmet store in Florida, where they think you can't get it anywhere but from them, it's $30-something for a half gallon. It's crazy, crazy. All right, that's my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And these are what we do and where we get our stuff. So I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what's coming next. Just I hope you keep enjoying and watching and supporting the channel. That's all I can say and ask. I'll catch you in the next one.